I've got two kinds of cancer from Agent Orange. Neither one curable. One is non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, which was, I started having problems because of it when I was still in the Army, but it couldn't be diagnosed. It was only after I left, about 3 years after I left the Army, that I had to have surgery and it was diagnosed. So that was 1995, so I've survived that, although it's come back a couple of times. And I've had to have more treatment. The biggest problem was that the non-Hodgkin's lymphoma presented through malignant lymph nodes that infiltrated my small bowel. Mm-hmm. So I've had to have 3 bowel resections, 3 small bowel resections to cut out bad places in my small bowel that doesn't allow anything to get through. And next week I get my 3rd surgery on top of that for complications resulting from the previous surgeries. Right now I've got a big hernia here, which is an incisional hernia where something broke loose from one of the previous surgeries. And that's what I'm going to have repaired next week. I also now have metastatic prostate cancer. And the way it presented is most definitely an Agent Orange result. Most ordinary prostate cancers present with prostate problems, specifically enlarged prostate that cause other symptoms. Mine is still very small. Today, it's very small. But 90%, 99% of prostate cancers are diagnosed while they're still within the prostate. Mine wasn't diagnosed until it was already spread to the lymph nodes. So I'm getting treatment for that. Do I hold any grudges about that or any sour grapes or anything? No, maybe I'm just too realistic of a person that humans make mistakes and other humans have to suffer the consequences of those mistakes, and that's where I am.